Do you want to go viral on TikTok and you want to learn how to use 5 and 7 second videos to do so? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it and how we have gained so many followers as a result and ultimately made more money in our business. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Keenya Kelly, TikTok strategist, and I'm going to show you today how to use 5 and 7 second videos to go viral on the TikTok platform, but more importantly, how to reach your audience in those videos so that you can make money in your business. And so if you have not already done so, be sure to hit subscribe on my channel. That way you're always alerted every time I have a brand new video because I post 2 videos every single week. So what in the world are 5 and 7 second videos? Now, first of all, I want to say you do not always have to do 5 and 7 second videos to have success on the TikTok platform or to go viral. But here's one of the reasons why this strategy works. Well, one of the metrics on TikTok analytics is watch time. If you are having these short videos and people are not only watching them all the way through, but also looping them, then you are sending a signal to TikTok of, hey, people like this video. We should send this out to more people because TikTok cares so much about TOP, time on platform. And if they're noticing that people are loving a video, they're staying there, they're rewatching it, then they're going to send it out to more people that they think will be interested in the content. And so this is why it's working so well. One of the other things you want to know about these short videos is that they still have to be good. They can't just be 5 and 7 second videos. They legit have to be good videos. You can't just be standing there looking at the screen expecting a video to go viral. Nobody cares. A video goes viral because people like the content, not because you're just standing there. Nobody cares. Okay, so if you're going to do this 5 and 7 second strategy, it is really important for you to have good content in the video. Now, I recently did a video where I was actually getting ready to take a shower. I still had clothes on, and they just saw me kind of go into the shower to turn the water on. But what I did was on top of the video, I had text on screen. The text was actually really good and helping them with their businesses. And it was so much text to where they had to not only watch the video, but they had to loop the video in order to watch the entire video. And so that video performed extremely well on TikTok because it was so short and because people had to stop and watch it to read the text. Now, that's a big tip there. So 5 second, 7 second videos are good. Second, you want to have movement in the video. Okay, so whether that is you typing and you looking away, or that was me turning on the water in the shower. And the third thing that I said was I had text on screen that was so much text that they had to stop in order to read it. But here's the deal. You don't want to just have any text or just like so much text and people are just like, really? You know what I mean? You want to make sure that it's good text, right? Well, that caused people to watch the video, loop the video, and it actually caused a lot of people to comment, save it, and share it with their friends. You can give a business strategy, you can give a marketing strategy, you can say whatever it is you want to say, but if you're going to use this strategy and you're going to write the text on screen, you want to make it relevant, you want to make it relatable, and you want to give people some type of, whether it's a resource, it's a tip, or it is something that they feel as a result of watching your particular video. Sometimes you'll see me do a 5 or 7 second video and I'll actually be here in my office and you'll see me typing, but you will also see my stand-up desk moving up, right? So to where I'm already standing and I hit the button and they can see my desk moving and then I start typing. People often say, oh my God, I love that outfit. Oh my God, I love that desk. And they're looking at the text that I'm saying on screen and they're responding to what I'm saying on screen. There's a lot of things that happen in that video and it was just 6 or 7 seconds long. If you're gonna use this strategy, again, you want to keep in mind, first of all, you're gonna do 5 to 7 seconds, have some type of movement happening in your video. Second of all, you want to make sure that it's actually a good video, okay? Third, you want to make sure you have some text on screen that causes them to loop the video in order to to read all of the text. And you want to make them feel something, think something, do something with the text that's actually on screen. Now, I'm not saying that every single video that you do is going to go viral, but this is going to give you more of an opportunity for that to actually happen. It happens all the time for me. It happens all the time for my clients. And so if you're someone and you're building a business and you want to learn how to use TikTok for your business, we have a recent client who just made $1 million this year in 2022, and it's 2022 is not even over yet, and we've helped her make $1 million in her business. If that's you and you want some help, you can click the link below and you can schedule a one-on-one session with me, and or you can actually be a part of our course called Monetize the Top, depending upon where you are in your business. So if you find value in this video, be sure to hit like on this video. If you have questions about the 5 and 7 second videos or just anything about TikTok, go ahead and comment below and I will be sure to assist you.